Pitched roofs are king when it comes to homes because they handle water and snow way better than flat roofs. No cap. So here's the deal if you're thinking about roofing or just want to get why pitched roofs matter. First, the slope helps rain and snow slide off instead of hanging around and causing leaks or damage. If you live somewhere with lots of snow, a steep pitch is clutch because it keeps your roof from collapsing under heavy weight. Also, materials like asphalt shingles work way better on pitched roofs since they dry fast and don't stay soaked like tar and gravel on flat roofs. When water pools up on a flat roof, it's basically asking for trouble. Leaks and mold can pop up real quick. For maintenance, inspect your roof twice a year, especially after storms. Clean gutters so water flows freely, and trim any overhanging branches that could drop debris. If you ever spot cracked shingles or worn spots, get those fixed pronto to avoid bigger headaches. And hey, don't try to save a few bucks by skimping on quality materials or hiring unlicensed contractors. It's a trap that costs more later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pitched roofs is ignoring regular maintenance, which leads to leaks and costly repairs. Fix this by scheduling routine checks and gutter cleanings. Another common issue is choosing the wrong roofing materials for your climate. For example, using shingles that can't handle heavy snow or intense sun. Go for materials rated for your local weather conditions. Lastly, poor installation is a huge problem, causing problems like improper flashing or bad sealing that let water in. Always hire experienced pros who specialize in pitched roofs and check their reviews. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know roofing and home projects. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for skilled pros, making life easier for everyone involved.